to the summer of love.
Hey guys, it's the Amazing Seth back here with another video, and today guys we are going on 7 Dwarfs Mine Train in Roblox. I'm gonna go ahead and head through the fast pass line. This is an exact replica of 7 Dwarfs Mine Train, and I know we've been on this on Roblox before, but this is a more older 2014 edition. And there's the cart right there. And yeah, so let's go ahead and head on in. Yeah, I'm in. Okay. Now we just wait for the cart to move. Here we go. 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. Yay. Whee. And here we go, up the drop. It's like an exact replica of Mine Train. Oh no, here we go. Whee! We're gonna get into the Dwarves mine pretty soon. That's gonna be pretty cool. Here we go. The Dwarves mine. There's no like animatronics. They really need to upgrade that. See, they're just like pieces of flat paper. They're like nothing. Whatever. That's fine. Okay on this ride, it's not that bad. It's not really the best, but hey, Mine Train. And we're going down the big drop. That wasn't that bad. I think they did a pretty good job on their ride. And guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.